Why, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one. Found this at M2M Market down in Seattle. And it's got a funny name. I don't know. I don't know if I walked up to a stranger, a lady, and I didn't know her, I'd probably get slapped for saying this, but today it's Pink Rocket for the lovely girls Carbonara Rabokki cup. They're calling it cup. Made in South Korea for the US market. So, what do we do here? We put everything in. Rabokki is ramen, south, and Rabokki, which is rice cake tubes, which is a wonderful thing, I gotta say. So this one's for the one after this. So I'm gonna put that right there. But you put everything in, which is what I'm about to do. Beeping outside. It's very insistent also on the packaging that you do not eat this little packet that says do not eat all over it. I did read, because I'm fascinated about things. Hopefully you are too. I did read in an article saying that the deal with silica gel and desiccant like that, it says don't eat. It isn't food. It is not a food thing. It's not going to make your food taste better. It's not a wonderful thing to eat. However, if you do, it'll just pass right through you. It's not gonna, I mean, there's some of it that's like little, they look like sugar crystals, like crystallized sugar. And I don't know for sure that would pass through so gently, but I know there's probably going to be like people asking questions in the Twitch feed. Why is he wearing sunglasses? I'm legally blind. I'm really light sensitive. So there's that. Now you know. It smells like a cheesy concoction. Alright. This one takes a spin. Let's see. This one wants 3.5 minutes in the microwave, and it wants 200 mils of water. Glad I read that. I thought it was 160. So let's get some water. 200 milliliters. Oh crap! I gotta do that. No. Let's have a look. Oh, that's too much. That's too much. There we go. Oh, that's right. I gotta microwave this stuff, and there's junk in front of the microwave. That's unhelpful. So let's move all that junk out from in front of the microwave. All this produce. Jesus. Okay. Let me look at this again. 200 mils going for 3 minutes 30 seconds. And I'm going to do that at, what do you call it? I'm not going to do that at full power. I have a 1250 watt microwave, ladies and gentlemen. That would be insane. There's our liquid. As always, I recommend if you're going to be microwaving something interesting in there, put it on a paper plate. That way your wife won't scream at you. She doesn't scream at me because if I do make a mess in the microwave, I clean it up. You know. you do that? I hope you clean up after yourself. I wouldn't like to have like people watching my show that don't clean up after themselves. All right, so 3.5 minutes. Whoa, what the fuck? No. Clear. No, clear. 3.5 minutes. And we want that to go on power level. Boo, boo, boo. I figure I mathed it out one time. So what's going on? The queen is still dead. Oh yeah, the whole thing. They're like sending people who are like traveling across a bazillion countries to get here to escape like crazy business down in Venezuela. Freaking Ron DeSantis and the governor of Texas are like shipping them in buses and promising them great things and just like, yeah, it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Just get on the bus. They'll have all sorts of fun stuff for you there. We're gonna send you to this place and send you to that place, and it's all BS. And they're gonna get in trouble for like human trafficking. That's pretty burly. I don't know. That's like using people. That's jacked up. What the? This kind of crap didn't happen when I was a kid. I don't know. I just don't know. It bothers me immensely. And things generally don't bother me except for certain things. And that's a thing that bothers me. It's Carbonara today, so I thought maybe, keeping with the pork, we'll use some salami. And that sounds kind of good. What kind of salami did you get? We have Columbus Italian dry salami. California red wine with a hint of garlic. Ooh. What's it made out of? Isn't this pork? Ingredients: pork, salt, and oh, it's gluten-free. Well, my wife's doing the whole gluten-free thing. I've tried to make gluten-free bread. She got gluten-free pizza dough. That worked. I like salami. I do. Do you? Oh, I hope so. I don't hear any explosions in the microwave. That's a plus. Oh. Yeah. I was debating on doing any reviews because of my taste buds right now. They seem to be working fine, but certain things taste kind of off. But it's almost like flavors seem to be extra strong with this cold. But that's okay. And, oh yeah, we gave my daughter a COVID test. She did better at it than I did. I don't like people putting junk up my nose. But you can pick your friends and you can pick your nose, but you can't pick your friend's nose. She was like, my wife goes over, okay, it's time to do it. She's like, okay, mama. It's like, boop, 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 boop. She like giggled a little bit. It's just like, wow. When we all got COVID, I ended up having to go to the ICU, and they did one in there. Oh, God. Oh, God. It's like a thing this long, and they put it up all the way back to rub back here. I swear to God, it's like the worst thing in the universe. Well, other than being in the ICU. All right. Now it says to stir it for 15 seconds. Here's our pink rocket. Oh, that's freaking hot. It looks like it does on the packaging. That's a nicety. My God, there's so much on here now. I don't know if this Twitch thing is going to work out. Hopefully it does, but oh wow, there's really no. It's saucy, which is the way it really should be. And the dokboki seems like it's gone really well. What do they say? It's a soft T or a hard D? Dokboki. It's like supposedly the hardest Korean thing to say. And I had to get a tooth pulled one time, and I had a whole bunch of laughing gas. And the guy that was doing it, he was like a young Korean doctor or dentist. Doctor, you know, hey. But, yeah, I was like, 한국 Ramen 맛있어요. And then they started speaking in Korean to me. I was like, all I know is that. That's what they told me to do on the TV show. He's like, okay. And I'm like, I want to find out. Am I saying it right? Dokboki. Or dokboki. He's like, yeah, that's good. Wow. Noodle is very soft, but it's got a little something to it. And this dokboki came out perfectly. Nice and soft, chewy. It's like adult beefaroni. That's the easiest way I can explain to Westerners what dokboki is like. Except it doesn't have that hole, but beefaroni has a hole, but it's not really that big, so I'm saying. That is lovely. All right. Let's gussy it up. For the lovely girls. It's funny because this is a Korean product and it's, you know, saying it's for girls. And what's funny about that is there's what do you call it? Namja ramen. And namja ramen is the men's ramen. So there's plenty of like gender related instant noodle action coming out of South Korea. Okay, let's see. We'll try that. One thing I will say is this stuff doesn't want to like hang. I wish it was more saucy, but I'll tell you what, it's quite good. Very nice. I like this. You'll like this. I might have cooked it slightly too hot. I don't think I did. Where'd that go? There we go. Another piece of this salami. All right. There's that. Put a little bit of salami on here. Some scallion. Let's see if we can get you in. Come on. No, it's okay. It's gonna be all right. Can you see? Yeah, now you can see. Look at that. Huh? Yeah. Where'd that one go? I've got an egg in particular that I would like to use in this one, but maybe I've already used it. No, it's not you. Huh, I guess I used it already. kidding me? Wow, these are being weird today. Sometimes I have well-behaved eggs. Sometimes the eggs just don't want to listen. It's like they need a little time in the corner to do something a little else, I think. Alright, so and we're gonna throw some sesame seed on here. I'm kind of a one-trick pony, I gotta admit. In some respects, but I tend to use a lot of sesame seed, a lot of spring onion, and it works out pretty well. I think that's the way I feel about it. So let's let Rotato do its stuff. Alright, well thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one we're going to have is this. This is Bulldog Habanero Lime Bulldog Artificial Spicy Chicken Flavor Ramen from Samyang Food. This is a new one, at least currently, and it's made in South Korea for the US market. Hence the labeling, hence the nutrition facts on the side. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.